In this video, we're going to construct a bar chart using data that's been given to us. We have the scores out of 100 achieved by 20 students on a test. So we've got 20 scores listed here. Now, scores on a test are discrete. You can either get 0 marks, 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, and so on. You might even be able to get half marks, but you certainly can't get 2.743 marks, for example. So we're dealing with a bar chart, which means we need gaps between our bars. Also, what we're going to do is group the scores together into these intervals. If we didn't group the scores, what we would have is a very long axis down here with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lots of those would have no students getting those results. And we would have a few bars which were just one student high because we've got so many different scores here. So grouping them makes the data appear more meaningful when we put it into a chart. I'm going to fill in this table by tallying up each of these numbers as I go along. So the 79 would go in here, the 47 would belong here, the 58 belongs here, the 83 goes here, and I'll continue the rest. So we have a total of 4 students scoring between 41 and 50, 4 students between 51 and 60, 4 between 61 and 70, 6 students between 71 and 80, and then 1 student between 81 and 90, and 1 more student between 91 and 100. Next, I'm going to label my axes. So we've got the score on the horizontal axis, and then we've got the frequency, or the number of students, on the vertical axis. The greatest frequency we need is 6, and we have enough space on this scale to label it like this. Remember, we start from 0. Next, we need to label our score intervals. So instead of individual numbers now, we're labeling 41 to 50 here, 51 to 60 here, 61 to 70 here, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and 91 to 100. Now, what I'm going to do here to keep things simple is draw a vertical line chart, which is a special type of bar chart. Instead of drawing thick bars, I'm just going to draw a straight line to the appropriate height. So for the interval 41 to 50, we have 4 students, which means I need to draw a bar that is 4 high. Filling in the rest of the bars, we get So here is our completed chart. As I said, it's not a standard bar chart, it's actually a vertical line chart, and it's quicker to draw than a standard bar chart.